How do I remove the call time limit on my phone?
In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to remove the call time limit on your phone. This is a common issue that many users face when they want to make long calls without any interruptions. By following these simple steps, you will be able to disable the call time limit feature and enjoy uninterrupted calls.
Is there a call time limit set by your network provider?
Before attempting to remove any call time limits on your phone, it's important to determine if the limit is imposed by your network provider. Some carriers may have restrictions on call durations for certain plans or offers. If this is the case, you may need to contact your provider to remove or change the limit. Key steps: 1. Check your carrier's website or customer support to see if there are any call duration restrictions. 2. If there are limitations, contact your provider to inquire about removing or changing the limit.
How to remove the call time limit on Android phones?
If the call time limit is set by your phone's software, here are the steps you can follow to remove it on Android devices. Key steps: 1. Open your phone app. 2. Tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner and choose Settings. 3. Scroll down and find Call Settings or Advanced Settings. 4. Look for the call time limit or call duration limit option and disable it. 5. If there's a timer, set it to the maximum value allowed.
How to remove the call time limit on iPhones?
For iPhone users, the process to remove the call time limit may be slightly different. Follow these steps to disable the limit on your iPhone. Key steps: 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on Phone. 3. Look for a setting called Call Time Limit, Call Duration Limit, or similar. 4. If you find such a setting, disable it or set the timer to the maximum value allowed. Note: most iPhones do not have a built-in call time limit feature. If you cannot find a related setting on your device, it's likely that your iPhone does not have this feature. In this case, check with your carrier if there is a limitation on call duration. Removing the call time limit on your phone can be a simple process, depending on whether the limit is set by your device's software or your network provider. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you should be able to enjoy long, uninterrupted calls on your phone.